So, welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're playing Skywars. And we're gonna be playing solo insane, so let's just begin. Okay, right now we just spawned. I'm gonna be using the Ender Chest kit again. This time I'm gonna rush to the middle. So then I could get all the loot. Ah, dang it, someone knocked me off. Okay, we're back again. Right now we're on a different map. So let's just go. Okay, so I got some armor and a bow. But I need a good weapon. Okay, I have a weapon now. So far I'm doing really good. Gonna go up here. I see that guy. Oh, he's gonna die. I just have to find a way to shoot him. .9 health. Okay, wait. Wait, is he dead? I think someone killed him already. Gonna go have to investigate. Oh, there's someone else. Oh, and I killed him. Oh, this guy had a lot of loot. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make my sword sharpness 2. Yeah, baby. Oh wait, a diamond axe is better. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to deal with what we got. I'm just gonna go ahead, place all this stuff back in the chest. Don't need that stuff. And yeah. Guys, I'm gonna go try snipe that guy in the middle off. But he reacted early. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my way towards the middle. Well, right now we're in the semi-middle, not the middle yet. But we will be soon. Okay, just make sure that we have a bridge. So then if we need an escape, we could just come back. That guy's trying to snipe me. Uh-oh, guys, we're in a bad situation here. The guy in the middle is shooting me, and we can't get anything in the middle yet. Okay. What are we supposed to do? Oh, thanks for the arrow, man. You cannot come here because this is the Kingdom of Sword. Ow, ow. Yes, you can't come here. You will never touch the Kingdom of Sword. Man, that guy has bad accuracy. I wonder if I could shoot him off if he was close enough to the edge. Ooh, refill. I'm gonna head out to the middle. Try to kill the guy in the middle. And then bring back stuff from the middle. Oh, dang it, he has knockback. Oh, shoot. Dang it, I might die. Yep, I'm gonna die. Ba ba da ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Guys, we are in our own spaceship. Okay. I wonder if, guys, we could just jump up. Nah. They did some good editing. I mean, decoration in this ship. I'm gonna have to use a stone sword as a weapon. Ooh, I'm gonna uh-oh. Ow, that guy wants to fight. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Don't kill me. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. We're fighting. Oh, shoot. He has strong stuff. And he didn't even take any damage. Who is this guy? Oh, man. This guy came. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Oh, man. We're fighting. Whoa. How did he do that? Okay, guys. Right now, we're on the meteor island. I want to get down. Prepare to fight in 4, 3, 2, 1, begin! Ooh, okay, so far we got some good stuff. I wonder if there's anything else to take. We got armor, a bow. Oh, dang it, someone's already shooting. Ooh, some more stuff. And, yes, we needed leggings. Ooh, that was a good shot. Ow, dang it. Ow, he's shooting me. No! Guys, so far we're failing. We have to do good this round. Okay. Okay, I got my gear. And then I got some of this stuff. And that. And that. Okay, guys. Prepare for battle. Ooh, 7 health. 4. Last hit. Oh, dang it, he went down. I need to finish him off. Can I do the shot? Yes, I killed him. Baby. Oh no! Oh my gosh, we were so close. Man, that was so stupid. I could have won. Dang it, that guy made it. I already have a chest plate. What am I talking about? Okay, so far so good. And we don't have a weapon. Great. All we have is this stone sword. Wait. Okay. They're both shooting me from both sides. I can't lose now. Oh, you know what? Dang it, he came. Oh, can we kill him? Oh, we killed him! Oh my gosh, guys. We just killed someone. Wait, but where did his sword go? Wait, did he even... Oh my gosh, someone else. Oh my gosh, dang it. Dang, nugget, nugget, bucket, fudge it. Man, what the... Oh my gosh, this guy rushed. So, thank you guys all for watching. Leave a like, comment, and sorry I failed so much. But people these days are very smart and can outsmart you. But anyways, peace.